channel. So today I'm going to be making an easy chocolate trifle, so let's begin. So I have here 400 ml of whipped double cream, and I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of cocoa powder, I'm just going to mix this in, and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar. So this is now nicely mixed in. So I have here some chocolate custard and some chocolate sponge, and we're going to now layer our trifle. So I've put in the custard in a piping bag. Now we're going to layer with the sponge. So we're now going to layer it with some fresh strawberries. So we're now going to pipe in the double cream. So I'm going to decorate this with some chocolate shavings. And I'm just going to top this up with a strawberry. I hope you enjoyed the chocolate trifle, and thanks guys for watching.